Hi, and welcome to the Families Blessed with World's Children video on a feathered rooster. This is what we're going to be making today. For this, you're going to need a sheet of white paper, red, and then some yellow and black paper, glue stick, scissors, some tape, and colored feathers. So to start off, and a pencil. To start off, you take your white sheet of paper and you're going to draw two circles, and one is going to be bigger than the other. Mine aren't good circles, but it'll look about like this. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut on the outline of the circles. So you should have two circles like this. Mine's big, so I think I'm going to make it smaller. So you'll have two circles like this. You're going to take your glue stick and put a little bit of glue on the bigger one, just about this much. And you're going to put stick this one to this one. And just press and hold for a little bit. So it looks like this. Next, you're going to take your red sheet of paper and we're going to cut out for the top and the bottom. So you can trace this out with your pencil. It's going to be like a line with 3 bumps. Like this. And the second one will be an oval. Just like this. And you're going to cut on the lines. So you have this and this. You're going to take your circles and put them down. This is going to be the head. So you're going to put some glue on the top of the head, on the back if you want. Like this. You're going to stick this onto here. So it looks like this. And then you're also going to put some down here, towards the bottom, not right on the bottom, but up a little bit. And stick this on here. So it sticks out about that far. Next, you're going to cut a very tiny circle out of the black paper. It's going to be the eye. This. And you're also going to cut a triangle out of the yellow for the beak. Like this. You're going to glue So this is the back, this is the front. You're going to glue the eye on to the front right here. Like this. And you're going to flip it over to the back and glue down the beak right above the bottom red piece. So you stick it down like that. So it looks like this in the front. Then you'll take your rooster and put it face down. So this is the back, it's up. And you're going to take your feathers and lay them out on to the back for the tail in whatever pattern you want. And then when you get the pattern you want, you're going to take some tape and you're going to tape the feathers down to the body. I use 3 pieces. I just tape them this way and this way. And you flip it over, and this is your final product of your feathered rooster.